So you are thinking about getting the PHLster Enigma Holster System, but you want to carry a spare mag comfortably. In this video, I'm going to give you the biggest secret that no one is talking about: how to easily turn your PHLster Enigma system into a sidecar style holster with a spare magazine. What is up, guys? If you are new here, my name is Workman, and I'm here to give you the skills, the tools, and the mindset to protect yourself and your family. Before we jump into it, if you are new to concealed carry, I want to give you something that will really help you out, and that is my free guide to concealment. It's basically everything that I wish I knew when I first started carrying a gun, and I want you to have it for free. So go check that out in the description down below. All right, folks, so I carried my Glock 19 for years in a sidecar style holster. I loved being able to have that spare mag right there and ready to go. You probably feel the same way. When I first saw the PHLster Enigma system, I knew that I had to get one. It looked so futuristic, and I loved the functionality of being able to carry in shorts, in jeans, or in a suit, which I wore for years. The one downside: no spare mag holder. Now, I know that the likelihood of needing a spare mag is very slim, but I still got used to having it, and I felt naked without it. I looked and I looked and I looked and I looked, and then I looked some more. I could not find a video, a blog post, or even a comment with how to carry a spare mag up front with the Enigma.
Nothing. Gee dang it.
So I decided to just buy some crap and make it happen. And guys, it is so simple. Before I tell you exactly how to make your own PHLster Enigma into a sidecar, if you want to get faster with your handgun, then you need a shot timer. In order to improve your speed, you need to measure your speed. My absolute favorite is the Range Tech shot timer. It's simple to use, connects to your phone through Bluetooth, and is the most affordable shot timer on the market. Pick one up in the description down below and thank them for supporting the channel. Okay, so first I bought the Enigma, and mine is the older light-bearing Enigma. Then I bought the Henry holster to fit it. After some frustration, I finally broke down and bought the sport belt. Totally worth it. Then I discovered this nifty little piece that Henry Holster sells to attach the spare mag to the side of the Enigma belt, even though that's not what I was going to use it for. I ordered a JM custom mag holder and connected it to the attachment piece from Henry Holster. Then I took the screws out of the connector piece on the Enigma and fed the attachment through. And bam, bam, bam. Stupidest part of the video. There it was, my very own custom PHLster Enigma Henry Holster JM custom sidecar spare mag carrier everyday carry holsters setup. Honestly, it was insanely simple to do. The only real downside is that you have to order parts from 3 different companies. And all in all, it cost me around 300 bucks.
Good Lord.
I know, but a sidecar holster costs around 120 to 150 bucks, and the Enigma can be worn comfortably with anything. So to me, it's totally worth it. I've shot competition with it, I've taken training classes with it, I even took it out to Kansas for the Active Self-Protection National Conference last year. Maybe someday PHLster will come out with one already made like this, but until then, it looks like you'll have to do it yourself. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. For more of my thoughts on the PHLster Enigma system, then click this video. And if you want to get a faster draw to first shot, then click this video.